Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the all-in-one auto buy Sellix template. And this is available on Built by Bit, also known as MC Market. So this template is going to link to your Sellix.io store, and it's going to pull all your product data, your review data, and it's going to allow users to have a better experience, a more refined experience, and this website will be hosted by yourself. So that gives you a lot more customability, and it also allows for I think a more unique experience. So let's get into it, and I'll show you how to set this up and show you some of the features. So the first thing you want to do when setting up this template is upload the zip file, the zip product file, to cPanel or your other FTP file uploader, unzip it, and move those files into the directory you want them to be. And normally this will just be your public underscore HTML directory. However, there are some cases where you would want to have this hosted under a subdomain or something. But today I'm just going to cover the basic case. So once this is uploaded to your cPanel or FTP web directory, you're going to want to go to the URL where you or the domain you uploaded. So doing so should give you this message. Please update settings.php with your Sellix API key to activate website. Reload page when complete. So this is just a basic error, and this is expected. So we need to go to the settings.php and edit and place in all of our settings along with the Sellix API key. So after you log into your Sellix account, you need to go to dashboard.sellix.io, and this should just be your main dashboard. And you go up to the top right here and go to settings. And then you want to scroll down until you see security. And here we will see API key. So you're going to want to copy your API key and go back to the settings.php. So now that we're back in settings.php, you're going to want to paste your Sellix API key right here. And make sure whenever you're typing anything in this document, you follow the suggested example guidelines, as well as you keep the formatting where everything you put should be in quotes with a colon at the end. So after that, you can update your shop name here. And then your admin email. So this is the email that when people click the contact form, you will get an email containing the message, the subject, and their email. So you want to make this your admin email for the site. Your website domain is going to be the domain of your site, the URL, with no www dot or no HTTP or HTTPS. For this example, I'll just do polarlineservices.com. Your website URL. So this is, in most cases, this will be the same thing as the website domain. However, if you're hosting or uploading this the Sellix template to a subfolder, in this case I'm labeling this cell-template, this is what you'll put here. Make sure there is in both the website URL and the website domain, there's no slash at the end. So the site logo link, you could use Imgur or any other website to upload your logo, or you could just directly upload it into the assets images folder and then put that file path here. Same idea with the site favicon. This will be the URL for it. You could upload that into the images folder under assets, or you could use a third-party uploader. So now we'll get into shop text and descriptions. So the site description is what you're going to see on your SEO meta tag. Site hero headline is going to be what you're going to see on the homepage, and this is in a large font. And then the hero description will go right under that, and this will be a little bit of a longer description. Both the site description, the site hero headline, and the site hero description are also included in the SEO. So make sure you include as many keywords as possible to get better ranking on search engines and better customer traffic. So now we're into the other settings category. So in other settings, you are going to want to select a color, and you could either write that color like red, or you could write the hex code with a hashtag in front of it. And this is the main color that's going to be used for the website. In the example that I showed you earlier, and the example that I'll demonstrate more with going forward in this video, that color is a lighter orange, just so you could grasp that and see that in the video. You can change this to whatever you want. However, be careful when using darker colors like a dark blue or dark purple. That might interfere with how users see the text on the website. So just make sure you do a quick test run before you launch your website with the color, just to make sure that all the links, all the text is visible and easy to read. And if not, we could always change that down the line. However, that might require a little bit of HTML knowledge. And then that leaves us with the social media links. So right now we have support for Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. So you could put your whole Twitter link, Instagram link, or your Discord link, and this will appear in the footer of the website all the way at the bottom right, or on mobile, the bottom center. However, if you don't, for example, you don't want to use Twitter or you don't want to use Instagram, you could just delete it and leave it blank. Just leave the quotes there, and that will be sufficient, and it won't show that button anymore. Here are all the settings. And once you update all these and your Sellix API key, click Save, and then we'll go back to the website. And here we are back on the website. So we had this message before, but now since we updated everything in settings.php, we should be good to go. So we'll follow the instructions and reload the page when complete. And here we go. The web page has launched. So I didn't change much from the settings.php. Colors are the same. The messages are all the same. However, your updated color and messages and logo and everything will appear once you update that. So let's run through some of the features of this website. So the first being our nav bar, and this is mobile optimized. So users on a mobile device will have a nice viewing experience. So we have the home page, products page, reviews page, and the contact page. We could explore the products page. So for users, they could either click this products up here, or they could click explore products down here. And this will bring them down to all the products. So currently, I only have 4 listed non-private products. So if your products are unlisted from the Sellix dashboard or private, they will not appear here. So here they are. 4, show the product name, the price in the currency that you're using, as well as the purchase button. So you hover it and you click purchase. It should load up the payment portal from Sellix. So this product is currently out of stock. Let's go to another one. Perfect. So the user can select the quantity. Right now I only have 1 quantity allowed. They could enter a coupon, and then they could go through purchase. And then here you have all your accepted payment methods. So this is a seamless integration, and the user will not even have to leave your website to complete their purchase. Up here, we have the category selector. So right now we don't support groups from Sellix, but we do support categories. So if you want to filter based on category, go to category 1, and this product is in category 1. So pretty simple approach, and a nice smooth scroll feature. So now I want to highlight the bottom here. So you will have your site name with the copyright symbol, as well as on the right here, your social media icons. So now I would like to check out the reviews page. So here on the reviews page, it'll give some stats at the top, total amount of reviews, the average rating of the reviews, and the total amount of products that you currently have for sale on your website. So if the user scrolls down, they could see here all the reviews that have been and feedback that's been posted for your store. So we'll rate them with the stars up here, give them the date of the review, give them the review message, so what the buyer said about the review, as well as the product that they purchased, and a link to go to that product. So if you click the link, it will take you to that product that they purchased. So pretty nice feature and pretty seamless integration. And the last feature is the contact page. So um, you could always change this message. You could find this in contact.php. Um, it's just a generic message that I thought that most stores can use and most shops can use. So here we have ticket subject. So this is basically a subject line for the user to type what they are requesting or what they are interested in learning. The email, so it'd be their email, and then the message. And then we have just a simple CAPTCHA. There's no integration with Google CAPTCHA yet, but that is something that I plan on integrating down the line. So this requires that the user slide the button all the way to the right, and that will confirm that they're a human. And then they can click send message. And then here we go. Success, your message has been sent to our team. So then you, the admin, will receive an email based on the email that you put into the settings.php folder containing the subject, their email, as well as the message. So overall, this is a fairly simple template for your Sellix store that gives a lot more customability to color schemes as well as just a nice clean format, and it makes the user view a very professionally well crafted user interface website as opposed to the Sellix default themes, which are pretty easy to catch by eye, as well as there's no Sellix branding found from the code that I've added to this website. So again, this website template is for sale, and the link can be found in the description to this YouTube video. And I hope you have a good day. And please, there will be an email down in the YouTube link too. And if you have any questions, concerns, or requests for future updates, please include them. Thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.